So you've got a product that's professional, cost-effective, works, and what I got out of the first dialogue session was so insightful for me improving the student experience, which is my job. I literally would have had to invent this if it didn't exist. The fact that I came across it was fantastic. So I think this will really help my college's induction, engagement, and particularly the initial part when they first arrive. If you look at the before stuff, that is fantastic. They do that before they arrive. So my whole induction program in September, and for the short-term students that come for sort of 6 months at Christmas, I can send this away. It can all be done beforehand, and I know that they are already settling into the UK, into Wales. So I'm like, wow. So number one, I didn't have to invent it myself, which is a winner. Number two, it's very professionally organised. Number three, with Celtic, it's based in Wales, and I've got instant communication. It's flexible, which is what I needed, because I got students that are coming for 1 month, I've got students that are coming for 6 months, and I've got students that are coming for 2 years. And I need a program which can cover all that, and it has it. It has all the flexibility I need to be a really profound pastoral program and to enable the students to integrate into what Wales is and live here and make the most productive use of their time. A lot of promises are made, but I have to say AFS is a big organisation. They know what they're doing, and this is educationally an impactful program.